Hi, this is Ashley Fleischer with Refresh Tea and Soap Company in London, England. Today I wanted to talk to you about vision boards. I'm a big fan of vision boards. I make them for life and for work. And about a week ago, someone critiqued my vision boards, and so I thought I would pass along the lessons that I learned. A couple of things came up. One was to be specific with the images that you choose, to make sure that they evoke emotion so that you bring into the life that you want the emotions that you aspire to have. And the second is to really just be specific with your images. This woman, as you can see, she looks kind of uncomfortable giving this speech that she's giving and showing these people this chart, which again, it goes up, up, and then it tanks, and then it goes up again, which nobody wants as their chart for their business success. So she's been replaced by a few different images. Obviously, one of them looks a bit more like this, more successful business, which is what we all aim for. I invite you to connect with yourself and to create some clippings from magazines or from printouts from the internet of what it is you aspire in your life, and to create a vision board if that's something that you think would be helpful to you. And with that, I'll talk to you soon.